have in front of me here the new Ferguson Ariva 120 combo high definition satellite and terrestrial combo receiver, okay? And the reason that this is so popular on the Irish market right now, along with a range, within our range of combo boxes, is that with a box like this, it's possible to have both the free satellite channels and also the new free Irish Sairview channels on a single box. Now, the reason it's called a combo receiver is there's two feeds going into it. One will bring in the Sairview channels, and this will come from a UHF aerial similar to what I have here. And the other one, the other feed will come from a satellite dish, so something identical to your Sky dish, and actually aiming at the same satellite in the sky as the Sky dish does. Will be capable of giving you all the free BBCs. Because it's a high definition box, it can handle all the new free high definition channels such as BBC HD, ITV HD, Channel 4, and the list is growing by the day. So I'll just give you an overview then of what exactly comes. So it comes in this outer box here, and it comes then with a manual that's in English, a remote control, and two AAA batteries, and the receiver here itself. It doesn't come with either a SCART lead or a HDMI, so just be aware of that. So on the front of the box here, what we have is we have a power indication light here, we have an LED display here, then we have a selection button here to let you go up or down, left or right, and also then we have an exit and a menu button. And if we open this flap here, we can see that we have a card reader. It's a Konex card reader here, and also a USB port at this point, okay? And if we turn around to the back of the box, what we'll see here is that we have a satellite in here and also an antenna in, okay? We have a HDMI output, so we can feed to the television either using HDMI or a SCART lead here. We have an Ethernet port, we have an SPDIF here for optical here, and also we have an RS232, and we have two RCA outputs, audio left and right, and there's a power on and off switch here, okay? So what we'll do at this point is I'm just going to show you these two cables that I have in my hand here feed respectively from a TV aerial and from a satellite dish, identical to what I've just indicated outside. So what I'll do here is the first thing I'll do is I'm just going to connect in the TV aerial port, and it goes into the antenna in. And next I'll come along and use the LNB in and push this in here. Okay, now the next thing I want to do is I'll just take out the HDMI lead. Alternatively I could use a SCART lead, but best probably to use a HDMI lead here and push it in. So on this particular box here I'm demonstrating, this is a non-programmed box. Most people who buy boxes off us will buy them pre-programmed with all the UK satellite channels on it. We will never pre-program the Irish channels for you, simply because it'll depend on which the nearest transmitter to you is, okay? And we'll cover the topic of how to tune in the Irish channels, but that's quite a simple thing to do. But it's the same satellite that's covering the entire country, and that's why having the satellite channels pre-programmed can be convenient for people. So I'll just push in the power lead here, and I'll turn on the box, okay? So we'll just wait for the box to come on, and I'll just make sure that I have actually set this to the HDMI input on the television, which I have. I can see it here, and it'll probably just take a couple of seconds for this box to come on. Just wait now. So there we have it. So it just comes up here anyway. So that's it, an overview of the first stage of it. In the later videos we'll cover on how to add on, how to do full scans for satellite channels, how to add on the Irish channels, and a range of other features that are available on the Ferguson Ariva 120 combo receiver.